10 seconds, 5 seconds, start. A large part of the work of a modern government has to do with science. It is only through science that we can transform into reality the hopes we have held out to our people for many years to come. The people will measure progress in terms of our ability to give them their basic needs. The agricultural scientist has a specially vital contribution to make to our plans of economic development. For years, the government has been persuading farmers to adopt new farming practices. It is only in the last 3 or 4 years that the response of villagers has overtaken the official effort. The farmers have shed their skepticism of city people and their new ideas. What has convinced them is what they have witnessed with their own eyes. Everywhere, farmers tend to be conservative and slow to change. But once they change, they are not content to be indifferent converts. The discovery of a new seed variety stirs rural people as much as a spacewalk or a transplanted heart does the more to liberate classes. Farmers today walk miles to buy seed. The great problem for the government is to find sufficient seed and fertilizer to meet their demand. What a change from the days when we could not get them to hear us or look at what we had to offer. Rural India has shed its apathy. Agricultural scientists can rightfully claim their share of the credit for bringing about this transformation. But they cannot rest there. The solution of one problem gives rise to many new problems. New varieties are being extended to vast areas because of the demand from farmers and our own race towards self sufficiency. This work is being done far too fast and with only a minimum of protesting. Modern farming is a combination of many techniques and materials. It is not possible to adopt any one in isolation, disregarding the others. The scientist has a special responsibility to provide answers to the problems which are consequences of his own work. The greatest task before the agricultural scientist and before the government in general is to ensure that there is no setback in the new program. If, for example, widespread plant disease attacks the new varieties, the farmer's hard-won trust in more practices will be shaken and he might retreat into his shell of traditionalism. So friends, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and thank you.